I just got the two phones. I am ready to go and unbox them. In the box, you do get your case, SIM card tool, headphone, USB-C, and power bricks. Now these power bricks are a little bit different. The regular one is a bit smaller. They both say supercharge on them, but the Pro is a little bit heavier and a little bit taller. You can barely tell, but if you put it side by side, it is a little bit taller. Now the weight difference, the Pro is a little bit heavier, and the Pro is a 40-watt power adapter, so you should be able to charge your Mate 20 Pro from 0 to 70 in 30 minutes. That's pretty much it. It's really simple, nothing too much in a box. Now, I'm starting these two up right now, and being me, I'm definitely going to test the camera out. It's nighttime right now, so I would say this is like a first low light or nighttime test. It's nothing too crazy. It's not like a review or anything. I just want to take these out and I want to see for myself how well these cameras will do at night. So keep in mind that this is just going to be a quick low light test. It's not going to be a full-on review or anything. I will do that later, but I'm just going to go around, take some videos, take some night shots, and let me know what you guys think.